Hi friends, good afternoon. My name is Achyut and I'm from Vizag. So in the previous class, I have did not execute this program, right? I did not execute this program. Sorry for that. So in this class, I will execute this program. So let's run this program now. And we are having the error. On the line, new scanner system.in. Okay, we have to write the import java.util.star. So there is no errors. So now I will give 6 here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And here I'll give 8. So now we will get the combinations of 8 in the array. So we are having 6 and 2, 3 and 5, 4 and 4, 5 and 3, and 6 and 2. So these are the combinations. These are the combinations in the array, which is equal to k, which is equal to k. So I hope you understand this program, and I have executed this program also, and we got the required output. So the 5 combinations are there, which is equal to 8. So I hope you understand this program, and if you have any doubts, just please comment in the chat. And if you think this video is helpful for you, then please like the video, and please share this video to your friends and family members so that they can be benefited from this video. And please do subscribe to my channel, and please ring the bell icon. Then only get the notification whenever I upload videos in the YouTube, or otherwise you will not get the notification. Thank you friends. Jai Hind.